Hey there, Jay Barabee with Better Who, and I'm going to share with you a quick video on how you can take your current reviews on Google and turn them into a company bio, about us, Facebook page, about us website page, Google My Business, social media posts, and other pieces of content. And you'll do it all under 10 or 15 minutes. So here's the use case. Above all, property management. And if you go to their about page, this is what they currently have for their about page. What you don't see here is any specifics, right? No specific testimonials or how this has affected any clients' lives, right? You may have a couple right here, but those tend to get lost when you scroll down so much. So here's what we're going to do. And actually I've done it already, but you scroll through and you'll select and paste all of your testimonials or reviews. And then I just clean them up a little bit. So, there's Jenny here with her review, and then Meredith with her review, And now this is all we're going to need. This 3-page document with reviews, this is all we're going to need when we combine the right prompts. So this is a formula, okay? The first prompt is create a bio for Above All Property Management using the following reviews. And then we just copy and paste the reviews. And then this is what we get. And it's talking all about Above All Property Management, the company. Reputable, exceptional property management company, highly regarded, right? I mean, you can read through this later, but for property owners, especially those living out of state or with demanding jobs, right? Something very specific. It's pulling all of this from the reviews, okay? And it's learning as it goes. Write it again, take out the personal names and refer only to Above All Property Management, because you'll see, if you hadn't already, that there's some personal names in there. So rewritten, and then make a list of things people have said about Above All Property Management. Don't use personal names, personalize them with Above All Property Management. So Above All Property Management has consistently delivered an exceptional living experience, right from a tenant. We have loved our time living in an Above All Property Management home for the past 4 years. The staff at ... is great. So, and these are all real. This is all just real information that was pulled from the reviews. Use Above All Property Management in each quote, because you'll see that, like for line 23, they didn't, it wasn't on there for the quote. So now they're rewritten, and Above All Property Management is in all of them. From the provided testimonials, create a list of benefits. Now, this is something cool, right? What are some of the benefits of your company, right? What are other people saying and telling you that the benefits are? Exceptional living experience. Well, tenants have praised the quality of living provided by homes managed by Above All Property Management. Let's go here. High level of trust. Clients express a high level of trust in their ability to manage properties. Competent and detail-oriented, very specific to the reviews and how people see you. Create a comprehensive bio, putting all this together, use Markdown format. So now here's a bio for the company Above All Property Management based on everything that ChatGPT is learning about your reviews and everything that is being said about your company that it's writing as we go. And they even highlighted, right, specific things, right? This is all pulled from the reviews. Highly skilled, dedicated team, responsive, professionalism, amicable, all of that's real stuff. So now we have that bio. Add a quote from the testimonials to each section. So now all of those are supported with an actual quote. So every area of that bio is now supported with a quote that someone has actually said. put this in proper About Us format for a website. So now this is going to be for your About Us. About Above All Property Management, about the team, right? And there's quotes near all of these about the services for property owners, values, and then in conclusion, and then I said add a list of testimonials. I wanted to see what we got here, which we just get 11 of those top testimonials. What should be in an on and about page that I didn't include? So now they have given us some of the other things that we can think through. Now you can also, in addition to this, you can also say, based on the chat, what would be a good mission and vision for this company? Okay. Or tell me about the company leadership. So write 10 more Above All Property Management bios using the testimonials. Okay, so now we got these bios, and now make these for my Google business profile instead. So now here, there's 10 different profiles, which can be used as posts, Facebook posts. I'm sorry, Google My Business posts. Gosh, I keep saying posts. And you can even ask to have a testimonial included with that. So actually, I'm just going to add one more here and just say, great. Now, please write a company mission and vision statement from the provided testimonials, reviews, and testimonials. Okay, there we go. That should be a good enough prompt. Let's see. Sure, here you go. So mission statement: provide efficient, seamless, and comprehensive property management services dedicated to maintaining a high standard of professionalism and responsiveness. Now, on this mission statement, if this is not on point with your mission, or if this is not on point with your vision, you can upload or just say, on the prompt that I gave, you can just say something like a little bit more about your company. Or if you have something that's written about your company, ChatGPT will create that. But we're not here for the mission and vision. We were here for all of the other meat and potatoes that I went through here. And yeah, that's how you can create a company bio, an About Us page, Google My Business, social posts, and so much more from just the reviews that you've already collected. All right. Thanks so much. And yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out.